Dusk eagle walks where the shadows stretch long, through valleys of mist where the light isn't strong. A Mayu with feathers like twilight's own hue, he soars through the sky but feels nobody sees him too. He glides on the breeze past the mountains and streams, but the silence around him feels deeper than dreams. He calls out his song to the wide open air. Echoes come back, but no one is there. He watches the stars paint the dark evening blue, wonders if anyone's thinking of him too. Strong wings to carry him high above all, yet his heart same sky yet far from home. You carry the calm when the day fades away, but you long for a voice to answer your way. Mayu of twilight, gentle and true, you're not as unseen as you think you are too. He circles the woods where the old trees stand tall, hopes for a friend to share what he feels. Even the quietest heart has its place, even the loneliest soul has its grace. Though the road stretches out with no footsteps in sight, his light still shines soft in the fading twilight. Dusk falls soft and the wind starts to slow. He tucks in his wings and lets the night grow. One day the silence will turn into sound, and the loneliness he feels will turn